In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make an electronic circuit that used for length measurements. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. In this method, we used a tiny wheel with a known diameter. The diameter is equal to 3.18 centimeter. With this diameter, the circumference of the circle will be exactly 10 centimeter. So that means if this tiny wheel rotates one full cycle, it travels exactly 10 centimeter, as you can see here. Now we just need a counter to count how many times the wheel rotates. So we can measure the length. Very simple. This is my circuit. I'm using counter IC 40110 and I cascade 4 of them together. I'm using infrared transmitter and infrared receiver to count in the rotation of the wheel. The infrared passing through this hole when the wheel rotates a full cycle, and the counter counts up. I'm using a Schmitt trigger between the infrared receiver and the counter to filter out any noise. I convert this circuit to PCB and order it from PCBWay.com. After 3 weeks, I received my package. Then I soldered the components on the PCB. It's better to use a red plastic sheet on the 7-segment display. This tiny wheel is 3D printed. You can find the file below in the description. I need a thick wire as a shaft for this wheel. So I take it from the ring of the keychain. Then I solder it from the 2 ends. Now it's ready to use. I want to measure the length of this wall from there to here. So I switched on my circuit and start to measuring the length of the wall. By the way, I'm using this tape measure as a reference just for the first time to make sure my circuit working well. This device reading 8.9 meters. And as you can see on the tape measure, the true length is 8.96 meters. So my circuit working well. The resolution of this device is 10 cm. That means it cannot read in any length less than 10 cm. We can increase the resolution to 1 cm by using a wheel with 10 holes instead of 1. Then I have to remove this fraction point from here to here. Now let's measure the length from here to here. As you can see, it is 0.29, that means 29 cm. That's true according to this tape measure. This circuit stops working when it exposed to the sunlight, because the sunlight can interfere with the IR receiver. To solve this problem, you have to put the IR receiver inside a tube. So now it's worked well. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.